Imagine teaching someone a new task. You could spend hours explaining every detail, or you could simply show them an example. For AI, examples aren't just helpful, they're transformative. This is few-shot prompting, and it changes everything. We'll explore what few-shot prompting actually is, why examples matter more than instructions, how AI detects patterns, and when to deploy this technique in your real-world workflows. When you ask AI to perform a task without examples, it has to guess. What format do you want? What style? What structure? Multiple interpretations are possible. The output becomes unpredictable. Examples eliminate guesswork. When you show the AI exactly what you want, it recognizes the pattern instantly. Consistency skyrockets. Quality improves. The AI finally understands your expectations. Zero shot means no examples at all. You give a direct instruction and the AI responds based purely on its training. It's fast and simple, but offers the least guidance. One shot provides a single example before your task. This gives the AI a critical hint about structure and format. Consistency improves immediately, but one example only goes so far. Few shot means multiple examples before the task. The AI sees a stronger, clearer pattern emerge. This delivers the best guidance and the most consistent output you can get without fine-tuning. When the AI receives examples, it analyzes them instantly. Structure, format, style, tone, expectations. It's searching for patterns it can apply to your new task. This happens in real time. The AI doesn't learn permanently from your examples. Within the context of your current prompt, it recognizes the pattern and applies it. The response matches your expectations because the pattern is clear. Remember this, few-shot prompting doesn't train the model. It doesn't change the AI permanently. It simply shows examples within your conversation. And those examples provide exactly the context needed. Let's say you want the AI to summarize headlines. Show it 3 examples of headline to summary pairs. When you provide a new headline, the AI generates a summary that matches your style, tone, and length perfectly. In Python, show the AI several functions written in your preferred style. When you ask it to generate a new function, it follows the same conventions automatically. Naming patterns, structure, documentation style. Everything aligns. Organizations deploy few-shot prompting at scale. Customer support teams provide example responses. Internal workflows use example formats. Marketing teams share brand voice samples. The result? Standardized, high-quality outputs across entire teams. Content creators use examples to maintain brand voice. Show the AI your tone through 3 examples, and it generates new content that feels authentically consistent with everything you've published before. Few-shot prompting delivers better consistency, clearer formatting, stronger guidance, and superior results. It's one of the most practical, immediately useful techniques in modern AI workflows. But poor examples create poor results. If your examples are inconsistent or unclear, the AI struggles to find a pattern. And remember, the model still has context limits. It can't learn beyond your current prompt. Use few-shot prompting when output format matters. It's ideal for repeatable tasks, structured outputs, pattern-based work, and anywhere you need rock-solid consistency across multiple generations. Here's the complete workflow. First, provide examples. The AI detects the pattern across those examples. It applies that pattern to understand your task. Then it generates a response that matches your expectations perfectly. Few-shot prompting doesn't teach the model permanently. It simply shows examples in context. And those examples often provide exactly what the AI needs to produce better, more consistent, more useful results. Next, we'll explore how to structure your prompts for maximum impact.